I'm going to show you how to make a no-bake cheesecake with a fruit topping. I have 2 cans of sliced peaches, and they are sweetened with Splenda. I am making a reduced sugar cheesecake. Okay, I've poured my peaches in a strainer, and I'm just going to let the juice drain off of the peaches while I am working on the filling for the cheesecake. I have a shortbread crust. This is my favorite. You can use a graham cracker or whatever you like. Taking the lid off of that. I have here in my bowl 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. I'm going to add to that 5 packs of Splenda. All right, I'm going to mix that up good. Now I'm just mixing mine with a fork. You can break out a blender if you would like to, but I like mine lumpy, so I just mix it up with a fork. Next, I am adding 8 ounces of Cool Whip. Okay, you want to just stir that up really good. Next, I'm going to pour the filling in my pie crust. Okay, let's smooth it all out. Y'all, this is just quick and easy, simple. I've cut some of the sugar out of it so it doesn't have quite as much sugar in it. And it is yummy. You can use any type fruit. You can top it with any type fruit that you want. It is really good with blueberries. You can use strawberries, kiwi, peaches, just whatever you like. Have any of y'all ever made a pie like this or ever heard of this pie? Now, if you were going to just use regular sugar, you would want to add maybe a ½ cup of sugar. You would just have to sweeten it according to your taste. Maybe a ½ cup of sugar in place of the Splenda. Okay, we've got that smoothed out. Now, do not forget to lick the spatula. This is one of the perks of being the cook. You get to lick the spatula. Okay, now I'm going to top this pie with my peach slices. Okay, y'all, here is the finished product. Look at that. This is so delicious and so quick and easy to make. Okay, y'all be good out there. I'll see you next time with another great recipe.